Hey, I'm Matthew from Living Tesla. Ever since we got the Y, I've been working on ways to try to make this cover a little bit easier to remove. I have little pry tools, fit up in there, and idea is that they will help release the numerous clips on this thing. And they work, they help, they make it easier than just like universal pry tools would. Out. But they still don't make it easy. And I've had trouble with these little clips breaking, even with these pry tools. So I went and picked up some extra ones of these from Tesla. They're only $15 a piece, so thankfully they're not too expensive. And we've been working on some different modifications for it. You guys requested something using magnets, and we tried something with that, but this is made from polypropylene, and good luck finding anything that'll stick to it. It's just really not a good solution for something like this. So we came up with this little latch, push down on it, and it kind of unlatches. It's pretty cool. It would go in like this, then you'd have a little magnet release, and that would open it up. So we started down that path, but ultimately decided that there really is a simpler solution, and it's a lot cheaper and easier to do. So instead, we cut the clips off. Went down to 4 clips, one on each side, one on the bottom, and just one of these simpler ones on the top. So with the clips cut off, push in, and then taking it back out. Way easier, probably about like it should be. So what we use to cut them off with, could use almost anything that you can safely do it, but just use some little side cutters and just went one at a time. I'll cut off the one that I just damaged. So pretty much just do that. Cut off all of them except for this one, this one, this one, and this one. And it's been holding pretty well for a few weeks now, so totally what I'd recommend. Like I said, if you do something wrong, you can get these for $15 from Tesla, so it's really not a big deal. I'll post the part number in the description. I'll post a link to the different tools that I use to do this, and a link to the opening tools if you want to grab a set of those. So, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.